Hello everyone. Today you're going to learn two things about me. I'm a little bit obsessed with V-Pets, and my channel is having an identity crisis of sorts. But anyways, today we'll be unboxing two of the new digivices from the second wave of the 20th anniversary Digimon V-Pets that dropped, I think, fall last year. Two main differences with this second wave, or V2 as I like to call them. One being that they come in a new assortment of transparent colors and new exclusive digital monsters. The purple with yellow and the yellow with gray have the Lunamon egg unlockable, and the green with orange and the blue with, I think, orange, maybe it's red, I'm not sure. I'm a little bit colorblind there. Those two have the Coronamon egg. Yeah, I know. Bad timing. I'm going to try to snip the tape without damaging the box here. The manual itself seems to be identical to the other 20th anniversary digivices. And here we have our transparent blue with, I guess it's kind of a deep orange color and buttons. Again, this has the Coronamon exclusive egg type. I think the transparent bodies really add to the nostalgia because there was a pretty big translucent fad in the mid to late 90s when I was a kid. Let's move on to the translucent purple with yellow. This is very nice, very vibrant. And this one will have the adorable Lunamon egg to unlock, which I think you need to connect to a certain amount of other digivices to get that egg type to unlock. I'm actually not positive on that. Here's a little comparison between the two. And also a comparison to the first wave of 20th anniversary digivices. Identical bodies, but with new colors. The box itself seems to be the same as the first waves. But yeah, there you have it. I highly recommend these because they are everything we know and love about the original digivices, but with a ton more Digimon to unlock and raise. It is unreal that Bandai decided to give us, here in the US, some new English digivices. And I fully support that. So check the description for where to buy these. I got mine off Amazon. Also check the official Bandai Facebook page because it looks like they are gearing up to release a third wave, and they have actually asked for the fans' feedback in the comments section on what new colors they should consider for the third wave of digivices. So definitely check that out to support future releases. And with that, thanks for watching everyone. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to check out this video.